Utie Oha Extra Punk no. Needs FM.
Okay. All right. And I am a member of the Greek Select Committee.
Yes.
Me and Quay, there be an danger at the Aniabu. And I said, Biane Boyading. The Benjamin Gopiaye. One also so Yentia do a day by. Now we know I am member of Parliament for Upper Danger West. Na I am free. Dear so, and a dunko boise. And it's a bass of Friso. And they, one more gas I had the away. And I was a big beam. A train one more train keke. Yamaka say COVID-19 to young conquer primary so na yaka say incumbent international to ask you better care near to dear coffee samba what don't my coffee and then the animal one I dine and now say a board in a lipa be a so and now said we are nearby a form no crowd ya de I and no ashisha formantino and ne banche one imprensa and sana banch when you video of work ready who's you the same coffee.
You mean I'm a make sure what you for especially Upper Danger West. So they be a question to be on my bar. Maybe near Bantamo, maybe tell you I'm here started 2:30. Meeting be as I met you now at TSC. And I said, man, coming who I'm in here, me do know I am a cheap passer. I'm pampas, I am a cheap passer. I'm a local man. At least. I cry me in the last year I'm better than so can you good say what's the area and your speciality? Me expect to say or buy him. Yes, or a politician, yes, or back facts any figures. Okay, can and unfortunately he was speaking as a politician. Instead of saying a speciality no or man no I dominate more. Okay, can say no Anna, it will be free, it will be the message we buy. And I'll cite the example of Gary. So I don't immediately know or call back to 2016 to justify the meaning Aquano and as a nipple the message Nibano. What can be right? Because even 4 years ago, no, that difference was supply.
16 metric tons of year supply as compared to
16 million.
16 million
yes.
metric tons as opposed to consumption of 6 million metric tons.
Yes, as a specialist. So where the Bakufu it me pointing out to. I don't know when you have 4 years back data, but only current data as a specialist to speak to the issue, especially when you have big platform to say Adaka platform here. That tells you how political he has been all this while. So, Sana, and then say other data or the banners and some can. Another person is suffering, no the plantains with the basis here, or Bessan would draw. Obi the orange diabetes or Bessan would draw. I will not be surprised if that becomes a star. Is it not a fact? Say, under Muhammad administration. Now you crack plantain. Body and they go a buswama almost a day cobble export cobble kin and Nadia. Is it not a fact?
The figures were.
Oh, I don't remember Nanunsi.
Okay.
Yeah, now my first sentence got a whole pre. Many figures way. Contact ready. Market women, radio stations. Said now say radio for you call market, it could be some prices. The same radio we are call market could be some man. They were telling us some crab body and if you Ivory Coast. Contumely, come on, contumely cry, no some crab be the few Ivory Coast na deba. And in fact, the statistics we do one dance here. Go and check. A Greek as at 2016. Rate and not Greek a grow man compared to any year you day planting for food and jobs and the rest in our account. Compare when you have the figures, not so many figures. And you clear say agri production a cost. Now so kase price who determine price and now they are compared to 2016. Let's say and 5 cities now 2016 now 4 cities now kase into nyama boy cost. Now you are not being fair with the system. There's not a single item, not in Europe, not in Africa, have one price today, by less than 4 years ago price. It doesn't happen anywhere. And you know, said our economists no. You know, measure. That to me so when you do business, you say near bo ebe kosoro. And so rate a day kosoro no. Kosoro and as a buffer. That is inflation. I don't the yastic this is say yes,
the
I
rate
did
of
be
price increase no.
exactly because before 2016 said there are 4 cities now 5 cities are who have beside me say 2015 now 4 cities no can and now 208 now 4 cities na and now 2000 now 4 cities and that's your woman no 4 cities no naturally for several reasons prices no better e be cost ro kakra na no na economists be catch say na mum rate ya de cost ro and ye de yastic ato say you be used to near the ahwe say and the administration rate na cost ro no e high ekosi say na we see ekosi under the administration the lowest inflation rate of achieve 15% thereabout
Food prices inflation related
general inflation and crowd debate my more
That's wrong.
so general inflation rate as I'm not making what they compare and now inflation rate as we speak now is it higher or lower than 2016 when they were leaving office? If it is lower, that should tell me yes, then it means someone know and manage this economy using normal competencies and normal running that inflation rate of about 15% or thereabout now. It means that year ton broader no 5 cities with inflation hovering around maybe 7 single digit now 7% or 8% now. It means more and more far can end even 5 cities, perhaps can number 12 cities. That is how you measure performance. And yes, I will find the nominal figure say 5 cities.
Philip Apia of Anya on WhatsApp or say market women raised prices of foodstuffs immediately. President announced the lockdown. Gary, which was sold at 6 cities and 7 cities at Malata market, raised to 20 cities to 25 cities. Apim, which normally cost 25 to 30 cities, went above 60, 70 cities. And I went there last week, and plantain and apim being ripe and now begging people to buy at lower prices. Philip Wanyan working. What's that? Your patch on what about here? And okay.
Depending on baby or one. I don't know the message, but I mean to be doubt to baby or one because in several places are no clear. Now depending on baby or one, maybe out East Lagos have baby to body who are the amount. Maybe I mentioned it casa pay or baby about here so a buso. It didn't know you heard the averages. You heard the averages.
Now because and for a Greek minister Akasewi now Okasewi reaction on social media. And once you had the body and maybe they but say we a minister 10 cities so we minister 5 cities so we minister. Was it just about say taking a plank over say a strap at him and now real issues and an any be raising?
Oh, it's because it depends on baby and nipa no one. Like I say say body ABA the overturn of 5 cities East Lagos. The same body and ABA acquire and free overturn of ABA just 1 city. And I say it be the better. Exactly. So it's not averages, better. Some more prices, maybe I could now now determine prices are. You may be getting it wrong. It's better say you better take figures from official sources. Where I'm expecting say 100 be no market the averages in the country. So that is how we should look at the because planting for food and jobs by it has been a huge success. Oh yes. It's a more example bro there even local rice manufacturing data no. Is it not a fact? The local rice output no akosura na. Anytime be a local rice so produce output no kosoro no. That is at least a reduce import of foreign rice.
Na him na saka sa di free ba say biane boy dey playing.
Aduane board ye be yedin and make an naturally price the oye den ya e be cost kakra empo in the face of said nyama bebre aba no market woman no grat kra aba na say even say transport cost e cost ro e bia cost of money interest e yo no ko bisi o ko boy o de ko do afu no interest rate no e higher. All these things be affect the way on so be price in the product. So eti we mu nya ya factors. No, I say I buy better American. This anima making is it true? Sam pampa and planting for food and jobs no. San you mean production no akosro. Provision of this warehouses. I store some of these things. Need ready market through buffer stock. to the extent is that COVID yi ba ye omutumi nya enough food de ma man for no anuane de supply some of these places no.
I say enshiraba na natachua sympathetic was it these market women are terrible. Gary now sells at 12 cedis instead of the usual 9 cedis at the Dome market. A paint bucket of tomatoes is between 40 to 50 cedis. As for snails, don't go dear. Very, very expensive. Huh? Enshiraba na natachua enti awiye chiao. And a man in the courtroom and a man can say,
I know Otiano
availability
go to Dome market. And I was making you.
Go to.
Yes, Dome market. Because what Dome now you see, it is I mean, Ubite 3-bedroom house, East Legon, and a Trazaco. No, catch you say $1,500 a month. I won't doubt you. But and also in Chester, Ubi or I am free. 3-bedroom house, so $80,000+. What did I meet you say? It's okay, no question. I say, oh, a dime boy ding or Ghana hamwa. You may be getting it wrong. You are right. Because of
at a specific instance, no,
you're right. Information, but don't generalize. Exactly. Don't generalize it. Say because of Transaco and I say it's going $1,005 a month. No, she said Ghana 3-bedroom house be $1,005.
Philippa Pia Anya or say now Gary is being sold at 10 cedis at Anya market. So it's the market women who are the cause of the cause taking advantage of the COVID-19. It reaches a COVID-19 profiteering business so
oh, business opportunities here. Unfortunately, informal market na yekesi anything. A man for to me take advantage of the circumstance. No more price so high. I mean, that will not happen in any developed market because that's why I say lockdown, pressure, demand, of course, all of a sudden, informalized markets out there in Europe and US. I'm not sure say affected prices. It didn't. It might have caused shortage, but affected prices. But who was circumstance where informal market is a normal sanitizers near the I mean, the first week or two are Uncle Korobeji or my boss. You the way prices started to behave.
Until say, why no more? Oh, who's the ace by no? Because a ace a Belgian man no marble so depend me anymore. Where the corona do what you cry. Anyway, Obi was say, I didn't and now we hear references to Trasaco and I am free.
Oh, because prices, okay. So, ma,
why not Trasaco and Kanishi?
I think I am free. I am free for so what you did.
Because I am free.
Even Kaneshi and the Trasaco prices not the same. Even besides rent, brodier, ya okay, ya. Brodier price, Kaneshi market. Me sure say a bit the same as those what is legal and I say. Trasaco kwano hono.
Ma know what Islamic hono Johnson hono.
Yes.
Although it be the bad day about could you true cities. Can you imagine?
And I can be it's just on the lighter side before you trip. Me kind me feel a Europe bar for floor. Na me socks are macra pa macot boutique macra fi a year me de be me wedding. Na do kumas say my ton expensive we do Kumasi Katie me drive me Chema come share bia.
It been a sense
it been a good for me. I just say I don't mind that so green.
Prickles. So prickles is sauce. Oh, and if you go I don't mind that's what I say. You're born green. That's about 1994. I'm not making. Me share the names. Already. Sahanet here I say. Any man be on my Roberto in normal shops, even in Accra, Hayano. Oko boutique. Eko the same shirt. The price will be different. Why? Because you have to pay for the air conditioner, what's our boutique on. You have to pay for other services. And even the prestige. Because the same thing, one can have prestige, AB at the shop on the side, no. Aquaco.
Utie oha exi punk no. Needs FM.